I'll show you how to tax exempt customers in WooCommerce. So eligible customers can remove tax automatically for a smoother B2B checkout experience. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we've got a few products in our basket here, and we can see there's a tax of $27.82. So when we switch to a wholesale customer, let's go ahead and find a wholesale customer. This account is completely tax exempt. And I'll show you in a second how we set up the rule, but I'll show you how it works on the front end first. So we've got a few items in our basket. Now let's view cart. We scroll down. There's no tax applied to this particular customer. And I'll show you in a second how we can create advanced tax exemption rule based on various different conditions. And to achieve all this, we'll be using the Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or head over to wholesalewp.com. Go ahead and download the plugin. Once you've done so, let's head over to our dashboard. So assuming you've installed and activated the plugin, the first step is to navigate over to Wholesale WP, and we'll go ahead and click on tax and exemption. From here, as you can see, I've already got a tax exemption rule in play. In your case, you'll just click add new rule, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this rule and show you what's going on. All right, so from rule type here, we just need to scroll down and select tax exemption. All right, and then we'll just give it a name. This is just for internal purposes, so we know exactly what's going on when we see the name of this rule. Here where it says who, we get to choose who we want this to apply to. And so we can say everyone, B2B customers, B2C, and so on, or a specific group. We can create numerous different B2B groups and add customers to that specific group by clicking on groups, and then you just click add new. I'll leave a link in the description below to a different video showing you exactly how to set up groups and what you can do with groups. All right, so once we've chose our criteria, we get to choose which country we want this rule to apply to. So we've got a few conditions running, right? So our users need to be in this wholesale group, which we've specified, and they need to be in one of these countries, right? So we can add multiple different countries. We can select all EU countries or all non-EU countries, right? So it makes things super simple. And let's say, for example, you selected EU countries. What you could do is you could enable this validation VAT ID. So with this enabled, the customer has to enter in a valid VAT number, and only then will the tax exemption rule apply to their order. We'll select nothing for now, and then we get to choose what happens in a cart. So we say no tax, and then we just click update rule, or in your case, I think it's activate and save. So now when we go ahead and sign in as a wholesale customer, then the tax will be removed. However, when we view our checkout as admin, since I'm not within that wholesale group, we'll still be paying tax. And as I showed you in the introduction, when we switch to our wholesale user group, then the tax will be removed. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box.